Hey ladies, this is how you change the inside cabin filter on your car. This is a Hyundai Sonata. You have two side sections here. You want to twist those out. Well, easier. Section here that we gotta take out. And get it to drop down. Don't lose the pieces. Inside is the cabin filter. Right there. Here we go. I'm gonna slide the new filter in. It's a lot easier to do two hands than with one. Slide it all the way back to this end. Put the cover back on. Click it into place. And I'm gonna put my cover back on. Get my screw pieces. One side in. And then I'm done. Voila! Cabin filter changed. Changing that filter probably would have cost me about $40 to $50 going to the store or going to like Jiffy Lube or one of those places and having one of their service people change it. It cost me $10 to buy it at Auto Sales Park, and I put it in, saved myself $30, $40. If I can do it, anyone can do it.